Welcome to Eat, Pray, Plan. I'm Rebecca. I'm a wife, a homeschool mom to two adventurous boys, and I plan our lives one sticker at a time. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that have helped me plan a happy life in hopes that they can help you too. So if you want to see how I do that, come plan with me. Hello again. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And in today's video, I want to share with you a review of a new planner that I received. So a couple of weeks ago, Darline was so kind and she reached out to see if I wanted to review one of her new planners. And of course I said yes. I love supporting small businesses, so it was a no-brainer. And when I received this planner and saw the color and all the fun little accessories that she included, I knew that I had made the right choice because it is beautiful. Okay, so let's unbox this and let me share with you the details on this specific planner. So first off, it is packaged beautifully and it comes with a dust bag. So this is the planner itself. We'll go into the accessories after. So this is the dust bag. It is a beautiful soft dust bag and it says the name of Darlene's company, which is Exquis Creations. I will link all of her information below, her social media and her website, and all the details that I have shared with you about this planner in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. So this planner, it is, look how pretty. It is a beautiful, soft cream color that she calls cashmere. So this planner is a Saffiano. It's a vegan Saffiano leather with matching stitching, and it has gold hardware. So when you open it up, you see that it has gold rings, it has gold zipper, and it has a matching gold button. Here, snap. So it is a beautiful cream color. I hope the camera is picking up the true color, but it is like an off-white. It is very soft. It is Saffiano, so it has the little texture on the cover, and these planners come in 3 sizes. So it comes in pocket, and the pockets have 20mm rings. It comes in A5 and it comes in personal. The A5 and the personal have 30mm rings. So let's look into the inside of the planner. So here you go. Nice and tight rings, and I can see here by the screws that you can change them out if you wish to, but for me personally, I just love how a planner looks with gold rings, so these are perfect for me. And then here on the left interior side, we have 4 card pockets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it says the name of her company, and it has a slip pocket right here, and it has a zipper, very deep zipper pocket, and then another slip pocket right here. And then we move to the right side, and it has 2 card pockets, 1 big slip pocket, and a pen loop. It is not an elasticated pen loop. So if you have one of those chunkier pens, you can always just snap it. So this is what I do with my pens, because my pen is a little bit chunkier. So I just use it as a little snap loop, and it works perfect for me. So then it also has the big back pocket that I love. So this is the personal size, like I mentioned before, but as you can see, it is a little bit wider. So I did reach out to Darline and I asked her if it would be possible to fit personal wide inserts, and she said definitely. So now I'm going to show you how the planner looks. Let me remove these. How the planner looks with things inside. Oh my goodness, I am doing a terrible job at this. There you go. Okay, so I have here my my faith journal, and just for comparison size, so it is as far as the height goes, it is pretty similar, but then as you can see, it is wider. So I think that's perfect because you can use it with personal inserts or with personal wide inserts. So I'm gonna show you how it looks, and I'm gonna set it up. Okay, so I have set it up already, and it looks great. And now, as you can see, there's plenty of room to add more things in the planner because it is a 30 millimeter ring planner. So let's add a few of these little pages and little accessories to see how it all fits. There you go. And then let's put the pen here. Let's see if this one fits. Yeah, no, it's a little bit chunkier, and this pen rarely fits in any of my pen loops because it has this rubber piece here, so I always snap them like this. And then let's get into the accessories that she sent because I want to add these right here. So she was so kind and she sent me a few accessories, one of them being this little pack of functional labels, which I love and use all the time. So these are called, the color is called Ash, and these have reminder, urgent, appointment, and meeting. So we're gonna slip these here. The next one is groceries, cleaning, personal, and home. And the color is a beautiful soft gray. So we'll put the next one in there. Then pay bill, bill due, day off, and work. Wellness, to do, today and this week. And then it also comes with these little just functional circles, little dewdrops, and these are corner stickers. These are little corner stickers and highlight stickers. So I am going to place these right here. And then she also included a set of dividers, and these are also for personal size. So she does have different things in her shop. You definitely need to check it out. She has dashboards, dividers, she has stickers, she has sticker kits. So you can check that out over on her website. And these dividers are personal size plastic dividers. So they are a set of 6 dividers, which you can never have enough of these. These are awesome. And then she included a set of the 2021 dashboards. So let's see. And this is vellum. So let me be super duper careful. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna cut the side because I don't want to get too excited and mess up the dashboard. Okay, I'm gonna slip it from here. Okay, so this is a set of 2 Vellum dashboards, and they're super pretty. So it's a 2021 dashboard, and the 2021 is a very soft gray. And then an inbox, stop wishing, start doing, an inbox dashboard as well. And then she included some really cute planner cards, which I adore this one. This is totally my color scheme. And then this black one. And the material, it is super, super nice. It is very buttery. So this is it. This is the box that Darline sent to me, and I am really excited to share with you. So this is the planner. This is the planner that is releasing on the 23rd. So the agendas are available for pre-order October 23rd. And they have a pre-sale listing price right now, so you'd like to check that out if you want to save some money. And this offer ends November 1st, so that is when the pre-sale ends. And you can check out all the details on her website, exquiscreations.com. And on Instagram, she's also available on Instagram, and she is the sweetest. So if you have any further questions, I am sure that she is more than happy to help you out. So this is my review of the Cashmere Personal Agenda by Exquis Creations. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I was able to share with you another beautiful, fun planner. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Darline, so much for your generosity. I can't wait to start using this and start using my stickers and my dashboard. Thanks again, everyone. I hope you will consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will catch you next time. Bye. Have a wonderful week.